And I'm just
Finish the bread. Finish the bread. Finish the bread you're eating. Finish the bread you're eating in your mouth. Put the chicken down. Put the chicken down, Josiah.
I will finish.
Okay.
So next dinner we're going to sauce and chicken head.
Yar. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sauces. One is don't wait. One is Thai sauce. One is Thai sauce sweet with garlic. Another one is sauce. Another one is darker sauce. Another one is I think another garlic sauce. And this one is samyang chili sauce. First, now suddenly you want to do get out from the video. Try the Thai sauce first and tell the viewers what you think about it.
It's so spicy.
It's spicy.
Yeah,
I think you need to. Okay, go get water. Now Sujay is gonna try the chicken because suddenly he wants to join the video.
That one.
Don't eat that one. Eat this one. Try the Thai sauce with one. This one right here. How does it taste, Sujay? You have to first tell them how it tastes.
Well, snaky.
Huh?
Snaky.
And then, how does it taste? Give more elaborate detail.
It tastes like a little bit.
A little bit what? Delicious? Okay. Now try the other one. This is garlic Thai sauce. So I try first, I guess. This one right here. Hey, don't eat first, put the sauce. What are you doing? You have to try it properly. It's sweet, I think. How does it taste?
Spicy.
Oh, okay. No, not that one. Give me, since you did it wrong. Why are you eating the chicken already? Give me that thing. Stop it. Stop it. No, put it down now. Put it down. Yummy, right, Rota? Open your mouth. Open. Ew. Okay, how does it taste? It's not spicy, right? It's sweet a bit.
No, very sweet.
Yeah, it's a bit sweet. Now, Society, try this one.
Okay.
It's this one right here, I think.
Okay, I'm gonna be so scared.
No, it's not. It's good, I think. Sujay, stop stealing food. Give me that thing. You want to eat it right now. How does this?
Not spicy.
Not spicy and? Wait for him to give you answer.
And it's good.
Okay. What about you, Sujay? Try it now.
Oh no. Look. It tastes like a sweet dish. I love it. It tastes like sweet. Very sweet.
Jesus, rubbish boy is eating all the chopped chicken.
It's fine.
So you're so fat.
Hey, it tastes like sweet. It tastes like sweet.
Good for you. Now try the other one. Now they're trying this the fourth one. Bite. How does it taste?
Not good.
Why? Why?
Because it's not taste anything. You know?
Not taste anything? Okay.
My turn.
What about you?
What's that?
Stop eating food.
Okay. Tuna with chili. It's like with a little bit sweet.
Okay. Fair. Okay, now they'll be trying this one. The fifth. How does it taste?
Sour. I'm so spicy.
Try it. Drink water. What? You haven't tried it yet.
Okay, can I try it?
Yeah. How does it taste?
Salty.
Good to know.
Nice. Hey. Lemonade.
It tastes like lemonade.
Yeah.
Okay. Now they try the
Salty.
spiciest one of all. The one that will burn their tongues and the one that will make them cry. Samyang. Sing.
Oh, look, it's the same.
Okay, try it.
Yeah, no, spicy. It tastes the same.
You try it. How does it taste, Josiah?
The same. It's so spicy.
Why did you finish it? How about you? How does it taste, Suji?
You know,
Like suddenly why everybody is fighting because these eating proteins, not the previous
chicken.
Rubbish. So overall, do you like it? Do you like all the sauce?
Yeah. More spicy.
Okay, nase jaane.
Jangan.
Bye bye.